Time now for this hour's car review. Had a chance to drive the 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid. Available trim levels include the Blue, SEL Premium, and the Limited. I had the Limited all-wheel drive. This is considered a small SUV, seats 5 people, including the driver. Exterior changes from last model year, not much. Exterior features, overall sharp design with a weird headlight array. I don't know how else to put it. It just looks weird. To me. It's attractive. It's not unattractive. It's just weird. It's different. Black molding on the wheel well openings. Rear lower valance has a satin metal look to it. Clean rear hatch. There's not a lot of accoutrements. They didn't decorate the Christmas tree a lot back there.
Or over-decorate, yeah.
Yeah. What I liked, not overdone with bling. I do like the clean look, always have. What could use improvement? Not a fan of those particular wheels, but that's a personal choice that I think most people just accept whatever the factory puts on there for wheels. And okay, I got it. If you don't like them, go trade them. Interior highlights. Sharp design elements throughout the cabin. Radio, HVAC, push-button shifter, all at the top of the center console in its own little pod, which is an interesting way to put it. Nice faux leather, 10.3-inch infotainment screen, cargo and trunk room, plenty. What I liked about it, the overall layout. Now, as far as power is concerned, it's generated by a 1.6-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder that when it comes to the horsepower and the electric, it's rated at 226 horsepower combined.
Oh.
Okay? This is not a plug-in. This is just a hybrid. So it has a battery that the engine charges while it's running, and when it's going, oh, well, I can save some energy here, then it uses the electric motor to do that.
Very cool.
6-speed automatic transmission on this all-wheel drive model. It will tow 1 ton.
That's a lot.
Wow.
It's a lot, 2,000 pounds. Now, miles per gallon. It's rated at 33 city, 30 highway for a combined of 32. I got 31 over 433.5 miles. I drove it a lot. I liked it. What I liked about the engine, it's a nice combination between the engine and the transmission. It's a great combination with that 226 horsepower is not too little. It's not too much. It's
adequate.
Just right.
Thanks, Goldilocks.
With the 6-speed automatic transmission. As far as ride and handling, smooth sailing in this car. What it could use improvement, don't touch a thing. Don't mess with it. It's good just as it is. Don't jack with it. Okay, as far as pricing is concerned, the base trim price on this is $41,570. Price as tested, $43,115. To me, that's a sweet.
Not that much.
To me, this is a sweet spot when it comes to pricing. Base model price is $36,210. Now, as far as competitors are concerned, the Kia Sportage Hybrid starts at $27,490. The Honda CR-V Hybrid, $34,645. It's more close in price than any of the others when it comes to base model price. And the Ford Escape Hybrid starts at $41,995. So they're all right in there. They're all priced relatively alike, and they're also under the small hybrid category.
But this one is bigger than an Escape.
It is,
yeah,
by a little bit. None of them are huge. These are,
no.
but this is if you're out looking for a new SUV, then this might be something for you.
Well, and it's interesting. This has a 6-speed automatic versus the CVT.
Yep.
Because so many of them have a CVT, which I don't know why, but I think it has something to do with
226 horsepower.
Putting the power to ground.
Yep, 226 horsepower with that combo. Just it's sweet. It hits the sweet spot.
And towing the 2,000 pounds, what do you lose? You're going to lose a little.
A little, but not a lot. And you don't have to plug it in.
Yeah.
You don't have to jack with it.
That's to me an important part.
Well, it is, but you also pay for that. And remember, it's not, the mileage isn't off the wall, off the charts here. It's not 40 or 50 miles per gallon. So you can buy actually a gasoline engine without the hybrid capability with almost that kind of mileage.
Wow.
So you need to do your shopping and your homework on that one, is my suggestion. I want to remind you that the In-Wheel Time Car Talk Show is available 24/7 through the iHeartRadio app or the iHeart.